Hey guys, I am in Thailand right now and I want to show you how I learn languages. Jenny taught me how to count in Thai and I'm going to show you how I memorized how to count in Thai. Remember, to remember anything you need to turn it into a picture. You need to be able to see it. So I took each word, the number one is nung. I turned that into a picture and I imagined a nun, like a Catholic nun. Two is song. So I imagined music, the songs, the notes floating in the sky. So to remember this, I had to not only turn them into a picture, but place them somewhere. And I placed them on my body. Let me show you what I mean. Number one is nung. So I imagined a nun on the top of my head. Two is song. So I imagined a song coming out of my nose, musical notes coming out of my nose. Three is Sam. So I imagine Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam is an American cartoon, and I imagine Uncle Sam in my mouth. Number four is C. So I imagined glasses so I could see, and I put the glasses on my ribs right here. Number five is ha. So I imagine somebody laughing, ha 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 ha, on my liver. So let's review. On top of our head, we had a nun, nung. On our nose, we had a song, song. Number three, our mouth, we had Uncle Sam, Sam. Number four, our ribs, we had glasses for C. Five, we had laughing for ha. Number six is ho. So I imagine Santa Claus, ho, ho, ho. I imagine Santa Claus on my hip joint. Number seven is jed. So I imagined a jet, like an airplane, on my kneecap. Number eight is pad. So I imagined a pad, maybe an iPad, or on my leg, on my shin, a pad on my shin. Number nine is cow. So I imagined I was stepping on a cow on my feet. And number 10 is sip. So I imagine that cow was sipping water on the ground, sipping on the ground. And if you want to go farther than that, just remember this. 11 is sip ed. And every 21, 31, 41, 51, you would say 21, e-sip ed. You would say 31, Sam sip ed. You would say 41, C sip ed. So really you're saying 4, 10, 1, 3, 10, 1. But that is something unique about 21, 31, and 41. You always say ed instead of nung. Now, if you want to count, say the other numbers, it's very easy. Let's say you want to say the number 45. You just say the number for 4, C, the number for 10, sip, and then the number for 5, ha. C, sip, ha is 45. Doing that, you could count all the way up to 99. For example, 99 would be 9, 10, 9, so it would be cow, sip, cow. And remember, if you want to say 91, it's the 1 is the only one that has a different rule. It would be 9, 10, 1, which would be cow, sip, ed. Nung is the number one though. Let's review. Nun, nung. Song, song. Sam, sam. Glasses for C. Laughing for ha. Ho, ho, ho for ho. 6. 7 is jed for jet. 8 is pad. 9 is cow. And 10 is sip. And this is how I learned a little bit of Thai, learned to count in the Thai language. If you like this, if you learned something, give me a thumbs up. I have a free PDF down below if you want to learn more memory training. I'm a 2-time USA memory champion. Give me a like and give me a subscribe.